Welcome to Auto Review Pro, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. In today's video, we explore the jaw-dropping 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, a symbol of futuristic luxury and performance merged into one ultimate travel machine. Known for pushing boundaries in automotive engineering, Bugatti has redefined the concept of motorhomes by injecting hypercar DNA into a mobile living experience that is nothing short of extraordinary. The exterior of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome speaks volumes about its premium pedigree. With sculpted aerodynamic lines and a body built from lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum, it's designed for both speed and elegance. The front showcases a signature horseshoe grille flanked by laser-cut adaptive headlights, while the sides include sleek retractable steps, hidden storage compartments, and solar roof panels that power internal systems. Massive alloy wheels paired with an intelligent suspension system allow the motorhome to glide effortlessly over highways or rugged off-road terrain. Powering the Bugatti Motorhome is a hybrid V8 engine coupled with dual electric motors, producing a staggering 1,000+ horsepower. This powertrain gives it surprising agility and acceleration for a vehicle of its size, achieving 0-60 mph in under 6 seconds. An adaptive all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction and control, while the regenerative braking system adds efficiency to the drive. The ride is ultra-smooth thanks to active air suspension that adjusts to road conditions in real time, ensuring unmatched driving comfort. Inside, the motorhome offers a luxurious and intelligent cabin that feels more like a 5-star suite than a camper. The cockpit is equipped with a curved panoramic digital dashboard, voice recognition, autonomous drive mode, and advanced driver assist systems. The living space boasts a modular lounge with hand-stitched leather seating, a convertible entertainment area, and ambient LED lighting that can be customized via the built-in smart home system. High-quality wood trims, brushed aluminum accents, and a skylight ceiling provide a rich, modern atmosphere. The kitchen features top-tier appliances including a smart induction cooktop, built-in espresso machine, convection oven, and climate-controlled pantry. The motorhome's bathroom includes a walk-in rain shower with steam options, eco-friendly toilet, and heated floors. In the rear, the master bedroom offers a queen-size floating bed with massage functions, full wardrobe space, integrated media center, and smart tint privacy windows. All climate, lighting, and entertainment functions are controlled via a touchscreen panel or mobile app. Tech-wise, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome comes equipped with 5G connectivity, a satellite-based GPS system, remote diagnostics, biometric security entry, and an onboard AI assistant that manages energy usage, safety, and route planning. Solar panels feed into a high-capacity battery system, enabling off-grid living for days at a time. It also includes an automatic leveling system, built-in generator, and smart waste disposal. If you're passionate about luxury, innovation, and performance in one package, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is an experience you can't afford to miss. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews like this one. This is Auto Review Pro, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Stay tuned for more